garlic update. It's a couple weeks since we've uncovered it, and the garlic is starting to turn around. Looks pretty good. We went through a pretty hard frost after we uncovered it, and it really knocked it back. Most of it had turned orange. Here comes the wind, which is something that I really hadn't seen before. You can see some of the tips are still trying to recover from the cold temperatures, but for the most part it's looking pretty good. We're up getting set for some peas. It's pretty dry today, or the last couple days, but it looks like we're going to get some rain tomorrow and into Thursday. So we're going to try to get some shell peas and some snap peas in for our early markets now that we got the groundwork.